Out of ideas, let's use Travlo to plan your night. Hi, my name is Saeed and I am the founder of Travlo. Today, we will be creating some experiences. I will start by typing the AI option and choose Create Experiences. The next step is to add details, that is, destination, trip type, vibe, interest, and some advanced options like occasion and number of outputs we need. And we are done. In less than 20 seconds, you can see the top 4 experiences for you. Let's see the details. So we got the place, some highlights about the experiences, and a step-by-step plan. You can also tap on the place to check images as well as reviews and highlights about that place. In case if you don't like any, just tap on generate similar and you will have 4 more new options for you. Try creating your experiences, share and tag us on Instagram and get 300 AI credits for free. Thank you.